Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Try to bachch class 8 subject science. The topic is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is basically a amala yatھ منٛز اکھ larva. Larva means اکھ immature یُس نہٕ fully develop آسہِ گوٚمُت کینٛہہ. We call it immature. ییٚلہِ اکھ immature creature گژھِ transform تبدیٖل کتھ منٛز adults منٛز تتھ چھِ أسۍ وَنان یہِ ہسا گٔے transformation. اَتھ عملہِ دوران چھِ أمِس منٛز واریاہ ڈراسٹِک چینجز یِوان زبردست تبدیٖلی یِوان اگر أسۍ وٕچھو مطلب میٹامارفاسِس یہِ چھِ گژھان مطلب اِٹ ہیز بیٖن سیٖن دیٹ اِٹ آکٲرٕز اِن ایمفیبیَنٕز منٛز یِوان چھُ فراگ ٹھیٖک اِٹ آلسو آکٲرٕز اِن اِنسیکٹٕس لایک سِلِک ماتھ بٹرفلاے ایٹسِٹرا ہِیر وی وِل ٹُڈے وی وِل ٹراے ٹُو انڈرسٹینڈ میٹامارفاسِس اِن فراگ أسۍ پَرو اَتھ میٹامارفاسِس اِن فراگ فراگ چھِ یِوان ماننہٕ ایمفیبیَن ٹھیٖک یُتھُے فراگ چھِ ترٛاوان ٹھوٗل آبَس منٛز یہِ چھُ یُس یہِ ایگ چھُ آسان یُتھُے پَتہٕ یہِ فٔٹلایز چھِ گژھان بَے سپورم ٹھیٖک فٔٹلایز گٔژھِتھ چھِ اَمہِ پٮ۪ٹھ نیران اَمی فٔٹلایز ایگ پٮ۪ٹھ نیران چھِ پَتہٕ اَسہِ اَکھ اِمیچُور مطلب مٲنتو تُہۍ اَکھ بَچہٕ اَکھ أمۍ سُنٛد تَتھ چھِ أسۍ وَنان ٹیڈ پول تُہۍ ؤنۍتوس ٹیڈ پول یا ؤنۍتوس لاروا ٹھیٖک یِہوٚے ٹیڈ پول أسۍ وَنو وٹ اِز ٹیڈ پول ناو وٹ اِز لاروا ناو اِٹ اِز ایکچُؤلی د اِمیچُور فارم آف د فراگ ییٚلہِ زَن فراگ چھِ آسان اِمیچُور فارم منٛز تَتھ چھِ أسۍ وَنان یہِ ہسا گوٚو لاروا یا وَنوس ٹیڈ پول یا وَنوس ٹیڈ پول یُتھُے یہِ ٹیڈ پول چھِ پَتہٕ یِہوٚے ٹیڈ پول چھِ پَتہٕ وارٕ وارٕ گژھان ڈیولپ بیٚیہِ چھِ یِوان أمِس منٛز یِوان چھِ زبردست تبدیٖلی ڈراسٹِک چینجِز اَتھ چھِ بَنان پَتہٕ أتی پَتہٕ چھِ بَنان أمِس فراگ گوٚو یُتھُے منٛز أمِس یُس یہِ ٹیڈ پول چھُ آسان أمۍ سٕنٛدۍ یِم باڈی فیٖچر ایسی تبدیلیاں ہوتی ہے کہ اس کے باڈی فیٖچر بالکل ان میں ڈراسٹِک چینجز آتی ہے اس کی مطلب اگر تُہۍ وٕچھو ٹیڈ پول یعنی دٕرٛہ لٔٹ کشمیٖری میں اس کو بولتے ہیں دٕرٛہ لٔٹ تہٕ بیٚیہِ بٔڑ می یِمن منٛز چھنہٕ کانٛہہ تہِ چیٖز پانہٕ ؤنۍ جُڑان کینٛہہ دے آر ٹوٹلی ڈِفرنٹ فرام ون انَدر اِف یوٗ سی انَلایز اَ فراگ اینڈ اَ ٹیڈ پول اینڈ یوٗ وِل بی اسٹانِشڈ ٹُو نو دیٹ دِس ٹیڈ پول is this tadpole pole then gets transformed into adult frog. But if you compare this tadpole pole and frog, you will not see even a single similarity between them. They are totally different, dissimilar entities, right? But once the transformation takes place, the same tadpole transforms into an adult frog. Therefore, you have the egg. First of all, egg of the frog. If it is hatched, then this animal comes into being. This is called as tadpole or larva. Then this tadpole or larva, it undergoes drastic changes, and after undergoing the drastic changes you have this frog, right? So if I ask you what is the similarity between this and this, there is no similarity as far as the body features are concerned, right? The body features look totally different. There is not even a single similarity as far as the phenotype or the physical features are concerned. Although both are living, that is the only similarity. But as far as their body features are concerned, physical attributes are concerned, there is no similarity at all. Now this tadpole, it has got a long tail here. You see the long tail. Why it has a long tail? Because this long tail helps this tadpole to swim in the water. And I must tell you one thing, that this tadpole is only adapted to live in water. It cannot live on the land. It is adapted to live in water. Once you remove this tadpole from the water, it will die, because it is adapted to live in water only. It is because of this long tail, it is able to swim in water quite easily. Number two, this tadpole has got gills, not lungs. So these gills help the tadpole to breathe in the water. So this tadpole has got gills. Fish also has got gills. So the tadpole has got gills to breathe in water. Number three, this tadpole, it eats water, water plants, small aquatic, animals. Plus, now the same tadpole then gradually, transforms into an adult frog. And when it becomes an adult frog, it loses all its previous body features, like it loses its tail. Now it develops lungs in place of gills, okay, and also it develops webbed feet. Now if you analyze adult frog has got webbed feet. Webbed feet for what? To swim in water. Adult frog has got lungs to breathe in. Okay, it has also got much skin to breathe in. It has got dual system for breathing, dual organs for breathing. One is lungs, another is much skin. Also, it has got a forked tongue. If you see the tongue of the frog, it is long and forked like this. This it uses this tongue to catch the food. One more thing is that it moves it इसकी जो आंखें होती है ना अडल्ट फ्रॉग की आंखें वो बिल्कुल सर के ऊपर जैसी होती है ये करा पानी उस मुंह पन्ने काल पिट किन इस तरह ये पानी के जो ऊपर भी देख सकता है इट कैन आल्सो सी above the surface of water. So here you come to know about the dissimilarities between the tadpole and the adult frog in terms of their body features. Now, how this tadpole then transformed into adult frog? I told you earlier that this transformation of this tadpole or larva into this adult frog during this entire journey, the drastic changes occur in tadpole, right? These drastic changes occur, uh, you know, in terms of losing the body features like tail, like gills, and all that. Then finally it becomes an adult frog, and this process is called as metamorphosis. So metamorphosis is a process uh, uh, of transformation from an immature form, that is from tadpole or larva form, okay, into an adult animal or adult frog. This is called as metamorphosis, and it occurs in amphibians like frogs. It also occurs in insects like butterfly, housefly, and mosquito, etc. But one thing to remember here is that during this transformation or during this metamorphosis, the tadpole it undergoes drastic changes. Okay, it is because of these drastic changes that this tadpole finally assumes the form of an adult frog.